Matthew Blake. I work for a company called Future Industrial Services, which is an industrial service cleaning company and a chemical waste recycling company based nationally in the UK. We've got 14 or 15 sites and I'm Technical and Compliance Director for the group. Administration work on a paper-based system is always high. The review of documents from various different people in the business is always difficult to collate and review. And also the reporting of data wasn't readily available without running lots of spreadsheets and other fragmented systems alongside what you were doing day to day. So Effective's helped with that. We looked at various other software providers and there were very many database systems that acted as document data banks. But Effective was really selected because of its ability of the modules to be able to communicate actions throughout the software, so that if you brought up a control measure and a risk assessment, it would jump to the Actions tab and then move to somebody's dashboard to actually action the control measure effectively. If you don't get the right data in, you don't get the right data out. So we had to organise a team of QHSE staff to ensure that we effectively put the correct data in, and that will always be a problem with any system. The good news is when the data goes in, you get valuable reports out of the system, rather than just being a document data storage bank. What Effective allowed us to do was, because it was broken down by modules, was to attack one module at a time and take it in bite-sized chunks. So we're actually still working through that process at the moment, but the very important modules such as near-miss reporting and safety observations were the very first thing we enacted, and we got them into the business very quickly. We increased our near-miss reporting by a factor of 10 over the last 3 years, and that's mainly down to Effective software. The system has allowed us to work on one system where senior management can get full visibility on what's happening in each area of the business, which is essential to make the right decisions and spot trends and intervene where appropriate in degradation of culture or systems, really. So that's what's really benefited us is visibility of data. We are very operationally based. We are heavily regulated under environmental permits, and we have lower tier COMA sites within the group. That means that we have regular contact with the regulatory authorities, with the competent authorities. The system allows you to present all the good work you're doing in a very clear and concise way as an overview, so that helps us a lot. The concept of My Dashboard allows each individual user to see a specific list of tasks that the different modules have generated for him to action, or for a line manager for the staff under them. So the power of being able to get everything into a working list for people, from risk assessments and plant and equipment and everything else, and combining it into, so someone can come in the morning and look at my dashboard and know what they've got to work through in terms of inspections or risk assessments, is a very powerful, unique tool.